Thank you for choosing to upgrade your amalgam separator and join the M.A.R.S family of environmentally friendly dental practices. This short video will show you how to upgrade from your old amalgam separator to the best available technology in amalgam separation, the M.A.R.S LibertyBOSS. Open the LibertyBOSS box to find the M.A.R.S Amalgam Separator Upgrade Kit. Remove contents from the LibertyBOSS box. Remove the stabilizing insert. Line the LibertyBOSS box with the provided bag. The following tools are required: 5/16 nut driver, 7/16 nut driver, pipe saw, and duct tape. We begin by removing your old amalgam separator. If there isn't an existing amalgam separator, skip these steps and move to the portion of the video where we begin to install the LibertyBOSS. Cut the inlet line from the chairs where it enters the mechanical room. Leave roughly 3 to 6 inches of pipe from the chair inlet. Turn on your suction pump to drain any excess water. Use your 5/16 nut driver to loosen the hose clamp on the rubber coupler attached to the old amalgam separator inlet. Lift the pipe out of the amalgam separator inlet. Your system should look similar to the following. Place supplied closeout plug on the inlet of the old amalgam separator. Tighten hose clamp on the rubber coupler securing the closeout plug. Similar to the process completed on the inlet, cut outlet pipe leading to the suction pump. Pull the amalgam separator away from the cut outlet pipe. Loosen hose clamp on rubber coupler and detach pipe. Insert supplied closeout plug. Tighten hose clamp on rubber coupler, securing closeout plug in place. Your system should look similar to the following. If you are upgrading from a filter type amalgam separator, bring out your duct tape to secure the filter to the upper chamber. Your system should look similar to the following. Use your 7/16 nut driver to remove your amalgam separator from the mounting plate. Your old system should look similar to this photo. Place the old amalgam separator into the plastic lined box from step 4. Pull the bag over your old system and twist it to seal the bag. Zip the bag shut to create a watertight seal for transport. Place stabilizing insert over your old amalgam separator. Push the stabilizing insert into the box, tucking the access bag around your old amalgam separator down. Grab supplied box extension lid. Pull the LibertyBOSS flaps up, place extension lid over the top of the LibertyBOSS box. Close the lid flaps. Tape the box closed, ensuring to tape the lid to the LibertyBOSS box. This is to ensure the lid does not fall off during transport. If your old amalgam separator is mounted on the wall, you can detach the amalgam separator from the plate and use the existing plate to mount the LibertyBOSS. If you have questions on how to do this, please do not hesitate to call M.A.R.S at 1-866-594-3648. If you do not need the mounting plate from your old amalgam separator, you can send this to a metal recycler and get money, as they are made out of aluminum. If you are a technician, you can store the plates from all your amalgam separator upgrades and cash in on a substantial return. M.A.R.S has received $140 for 20 old amalgam separator plates. Now we will be beginning the installation of the M.A.R.S LibertyBOSS. If you have skipped the existing amalgam separator portion of this video, locate the inlet hose from chairs entering your mechanical room. This should be connected to the inlet of your pump's air-water separator tank. In many cases, the inlet from chairs is coming from the ground. Thread part A of the Quick Connect into the inlet of the LibertyBOSS. For a cleaner installation, thread the provided 90-degree elbow and part A of the Quick Connect on the LibertyBOSS outlet. Your system should look similar to this photo. Attach the 1 1/4 inch inlet hose to the inlet of the LibertyBOSS by connecting part B and part A of the Quick Connect. Close the arms of part B of the inlet Quick Connect. Pull the locking pins off the rings on the Quick Connect arms. With the Quick Connect arms closed, slide the pins all the way through the channels, locking the arms in place. Be sure the closure pin goes through both channels on either side of the arms. Loosen the hose clamp on the rubber coupler attached to the inlet hose so it slides freely. Measure the length of hose required to reach the inlet pipe from chairs. Use pipe saw to cut the inlet hose to the desired length. Your inlet hose should look similar to this photo. Slide the rubber coupler over the inlet pipe. Be sure to slide it in as far as it will go. Tighten both hose clamps on the rubber coupler. You have now completed the inlet installation of your LibertyBOSS. It should look similar to this photo. Attach the 1 1/2 inch outlet hose to the outlet of the LibertyBOSS by connecting part B and part A of the Quick Connects. Close the arms on part B of the outlet Quick Connect. Pull the locking pins off the rings on the Quick Connect arms. With the Quick Connect arms closed, slide the pins all the way through the channels, locking the arms in place. Be sure the closure pin goes through both channels on either side of the arms. Your installation should look similar to the following. Align the LibertyBOSS outlet hose to the pump's inlet hose and mark either one to indicate the ideal length to attach the hoses together. Using your pipe saw, cut the marked hose to the required length. Use the 1 1/2 inch rubber coupler to connect both the LibertyBOSS outlet hose and the pump's inlet hose, being sure to have both hoses enter the coupler halfway. Use the 5/16 nut driver to tighten both hose clamps. Turn on your suction and feel every new joint for suction loss. If there is a suction loss, retighten the fitting and test again. If there is no suction loss, you have now completed your M.A.R.S LibertyBOSS Amalgam Separator upgrade. Welcome to the M.A.R.S family of environmentally friendly dental practices. Be sure to fill out your warranty registration card entirely and email it to info@marsbiomed.com, or you can fax it to 905-723-9610. Registering your LibertyBOSS will A. Enroll your dental practice in the Find a Dentist app, a free advertising program. B. Enroll you in the Automatic Compliance Reminder program, letting you know when to change out your LibertyBOSS. C. Supply you with a certificate of compliance, so if any of your local regulators were asking about your compliance, you can submit their certificate. And D. Advise M.A.R.S of an old amalgam separator at your practice to be recycled. We will in turn send you information on how to get rid of your old amalgam separator. Thank you for choosing to be part of the M.A.R.S family of environmentally friendly dental practices. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at 1-866-594-3648. Alternatively, you can contact our very talented and well-trained distributors by finding their contact information on our distributor page at marsbiomed.com.